All right. Maya's gonna have zucchini, her first green vegetable ever.
Ready?
Oh, she's putting her hand right in it.
What's that, Maya?
Mmm.
What's that?
Completely unfazed. Mmm.
Good,
I
huh?
like it.
That numbers in your tummers?
Oh, hello. Yummy. Yummy. Good job, Maya.
Numbers.
Good job. That was a funny face.
Not hating it.
No, she's not. Oh, that was a funny little face. Different? Is it different?
Good.
You're doing
huh?
good, sweetie. She's not certain. Huh. Hi. You eating zucchini? Especially pureed zucchini. Mmm. She's like, I'm pretty hungry, so I'll eat anything, but I don't know, guys. This is weird.
Is it good?
This does not taste like milk. This does not taste like milk, huh? Your cereal tasted a little more like milk. She keeps making that little, like, furrowing the brow a bit.
It's good, huh? So good.
Mmm.
It's like creme brulee, isn't it?
Yes.
Doesn't it taste like creme brulee?
Creme brulee? A milk or what?
Good, huh?
You're doing good, sweet pea.
Open up.
Open up.
Open sesame.
Oh, yummy.
Good.
Oh, thank you for that view. Oh. Okay, we're going to take some regular pictures.
Good, huh? Gotta open up now.